Unexpected error occurred on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if unexpected error occurred on your Facebook. Now, this might happen due to a number of reasons. First, it might be due to a faulty bug, a glitch, or an error. It might also happen that you tried to log into your account too many times. Whatever be the issue, let me guide you on how you can fix it. First thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. You can simply do by scrolling down your notification bar and clicking on the settings icon that you can find on the screen. Once here, scroll down and go to apps. Once on apps, go to apps and search for Facebook. Now, all you need to do is go to storage and clear the cache and clear the data too. Now, once you do this, head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store and make sure that your Facebook is updated to the latest version of the app. If your Facebook isn't updated, you will get a little update button instead of this open button that you can see on the screen right here. Once you do this, you should be able to fix your error issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.